Welcome back to my channel, beauties. Today I'm going to be doing a no makeup look, and I'm starting off with this Garnier moisturizer. It's like this cooling effect when you put it on, very calming. I'm going in with this e.l.f. mineral infused primer. This is my first time using this particular primer by e.l.f. You guys know that I've used many of their other primers and I love them. They're super inexpensive and they get the job done without breaking the bank. Now I'm going in with this Wet n Wild foundation, and this is in Cocoa. This is a foundation that I've been wanting to use for a few weeks now, so I finally picked it up. And I picked up two shades, Cocoa and Mocha. The Mocha, you'll see, I'm going to show you, it's just way too red, but this shade was a good shade for me. So I put that over, and you guys know that I love to add a little bit more on my dark spots. Another reason I like this foundation is because it is super lightweight, so you can still see my beauty marks and my freckles and a little bit of my sunspots, which just makes for a natural look. I'm taking the Colourpop No Filter Concealer, and I'm just putting a little bit underneath my eyes, the sash, and a little bit in between my eyebrows because I just have a little bit of darkness there just to conceal. Okay, so this foundation, the Wet n Wild, I got it in Cocoa. This is really lightweight. Like, I can barely tell that I'm even wearing foundation. It doesn't even feel like heavy. It feels like I'm wearing nothing on my face. I do wish that the shade range was wider. Mocha and Cocoa, and these two shades are like side by side. Or they were in the store. I don't know if there's shades in between these two, but this one is very red, and I just feel like there should be at least like 2, maybe 3 more shades in between these two. But overall, it's a light coverage and it is buildable. I'm taking the Makeup Revolution contour palette and using the darkest shade, and I'm just carving out my cheekbones and the top of my forehead and my jawline just to create that shadow look. To contour my nose, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Fluffy Eye Blender Brush. And since we're doing a no makeup look, I'm taking that contour shade in my Makeup Revolution palette, and I'm contouring the nose like I normally would. I'm going to take that contour and I'm going to just to create dimension in the crease.
It's so calming, like if you close your eyes and just blend. Oh my goodness, so amazing.
Now I'm just going with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Powder and just putting this on my face, since we're not going to set it with any translucent or banana powder. I'm just going to set the face. Under the contour, I just like to take a little extra to clean that up. I'm adding some blush from my BH Cosmetics blush palette. Mascara. I'm just looking like an apple, so let me just do a little bit more of that to get that blush. Elf highlighter and the color Moonlight Pearls. Let's see. Oh, okay. Okay, whoa. And I always do like a little bit, especially for a natural look. Just a little right here, just a little bit. I like to go up here, my temples, with whatever's left over. What, I like that. It's starting to look like the ocean is on my nose. So I think that's good enough. For lip liner, I'm just taking Colourpop BFF 3. And Java. This one is probably my favorite at the moment. I've been wearing it every day. Really pretty. It gives off a shimmer. So this is the final look. This look is great like if you're running out the door and you only have 20 minutes or less and you want to look presentable. This look is that look. Like, I'm rushing, I don't have enough time. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. As always, I hope you have a fabulous day and I will see you next time. Bye.